Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious lobster tails curry, and I'm going to make it with coconut milk, and it's going to be super delicious and super tasty. I have a 2 pound of lobster tails, and I'm going to use 1 pound. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, haldi, salt, coriander powder, cumin seed, jeera, 1/2 teaspoon each. Homemade garam masala, 1 teaspoon. 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 3 green chilies, 2 tablespoon olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. And coconut milk. I'm using Thai organic coconut milk. This is unsweetened coconut milk. 1 onion and cilantro. And let's start making our delicious lobster tails with coconut milk. Get a karahi or any skillet, fry pan or wok. Start a gas and keep it on high. Bring olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil. As oil start to heat up, I'll bring cumin seed, jeera. And at the same time, we'll bring ginger garlic paste. And I'm going to use the screen splatter, and I'm going to mix it, and we're going to cook like 20 seconds. The whole reason I have using screen splatter, it won't splat on my countertop, and also my camera stays clean. So this is good enough, and now I'm going to bring onion. Mix it well. We're going to cook our onion until they get transparent. So keep moving, keep mixing. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. They are nicely translucent. And now I'm going to bring all the spices: salt, turmeric powder, coriander powder, homemade garam masala. Mix it. We're going to cook our spices along with tadka for half a minute. Once it's nicely combined, now I'm going to bring green chili. Now I'm going to bring lobster tail. Mix it well. On high gas, we're going to cook for a couple minutes. Keep moving. Cooking for 2 minutes on high gas. It's nicely cooked. We're going to bring the gas to medium. I'm going to bring coconut milk. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 5 minutes. On medium gas with the cover lid, cooking for 5 minutes. Mix it. Bring cilantro. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid. Cook like a half minute so that it will soak up all the cilantro flavor. Cooking for half a minute. Mix it. Our dish is ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving bowl ready, and we're going to dish out. This is super tasty and super delicious lobster tail curry. Let me share with you our tasty and delicious lobster curry with coconut milk. Lobster tails curry in Indian Punjabi style. You always can serve with roti, chapati, fulka, naan, paratha, puris, and best of all, with rice flour. Please try it, and please comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, please like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye-bye.